Hello everyone, you are watching Career and Fun channel. Today we will discuss about ages related problems. Question number 1. The present age of Srinu's father is 4 times Srinu's present age. 5 years back, Srinu's father was 7 times as old as Srinu was at that time. What is the present age of Srinu's father? These are the options. Let us take present age of Srinu is x years. Then present age of Srinu's father is equal to 4x. Then now we will go to 5 years back. In 5 years back in question what they mentioned is Srinu's father's age is equal to 7 times Srinu's age. So 5 years ago Srinu's father age is equal to 4x minus 5. And same time Srinu's age is equal to 7 into x minus 5. By solving this equation, I am getting x is equal to 10. So, I got present age of Srinu is equal to 10 years. But in question, they asked that Srinu's father's age. So, present age of Srinu's father's is equal to 4x. I know the value of x is equal to 10. So, 4 into 10 is equal to 40 years. So, the present age of Srinu's father is 40 years. Option is C is the answer. Second question. The ratio of ages of two boys is 5:6. After 2 years, the ratio will be 7:8. The ratio of their ages after 12 years will be how much? These are the options. Let the ages of two boys be 5x and 6x. Whatever they gave as ratio, I am taking 5x and 6x. After 2 years, that 5x will come 5x plus 2 and 6 whatever 6 is there, it will come 6 plus 6x plus 2. That ratio they gave 7:8. If you solve that equation, we will get x is equal to 1. Then now you know the age of two boys 5x and 6x. 5x here I know x value is equal to 1. So but here they are asking after 12 years what is the ratio of their ages. So I am adding 12 years to 5x and 6x and I am substituting x is equal to 1 whatever I got. So finally I am getting 17:18. So answer B is correct answer. Third question. The sum of the present ages of A and B is 42 years. The ratio of their ages after 5 years will be 15:11. What is the present age of B? These are the options. Let the age of A and B after 5 years is 15x and 11x. Whatever they gave in ratio, I am taking as x value and some unknown value. So before 5 years, what will be those ages of A and B is 15x minus 5 and 11x minus 5. But in question, they mentioned that if you add both A and B ages at the present time, we will get 42. So I am adding both 15x minus 5 and 7x 11x minus 5 is equal to 42. So by solving this equation, you will get x is equal to 2. In this question, he is asking present age of B. So present age of B is equal to 11x minus 5. If you substitute x value in this equation, you will get 17 years. So option A is the answer. Question number 4. The average age of a man and his son is 27 years. The ratio of their ages is 8:1 respectively. What will be the son's age after 6 years? Same here also, whatever they gave in ratio, I am taking as variable. Let the ages of man and his son is 8x and 1x. And he is giving the average of two people. So average we know formula a plus b by 2. So 8x plus 1x by 2 is equal to 27. From this equation, if you solve that one, you will get x is equal to 6. So the age of son is 6 years. But what they asked the age of son after 6 years. So we have to add 6 more years. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 years. So answer is C. Fifth question. The average age of a family of 5 members is 24 if the present age of the youngest member is 8 years. What was the average age of the family at the time of the birth of the youngest member? So here average of 5 family members is 24 in the question they gave. So same thing, total number of age of 5 members divided by 5, we will get average. So from this equation we will get total age of 5 members, that is 120 I got. Here the present age of the youngest member is 8 years, but in that question what they are asking at the birth of the youngest member means 8 years back. If you subtract 8 years in each and every person's age, you will get the original ages of each and every person at the birth of the youngest member. So I am subtracting total age of 5 members is 120. From that I am subtracting each and every person's age of 8. So I am getting finally 80. So the average of 4 members is 80 by 4 is equal to 20 years. So answer is A. For more interesting videos, please like, share and